Hi, I'm Alex Blanc. I'm the Director of Production here at MarketScale. We are in the MarketScale Experience Center. More specifically, we are in our new virtual production studio here in Dallas, Texas. MarketScale is a tech-enabled service, and we equip our customers to create user-generated content. And here in our Experience Center, we focus on guided UGC content. About 6 months ago, here at MarketScale, we realized that we needed to take the next step forward in our content journey with our customers and build our first virtual production studio. So once we realized we needed to do this, we started researching a ton of different options. We started talking to the brands we knew, getting quotes, getting people out here to look at the space and figuring out what would really work for our use case. We really had to focus in on who was going to give us the best specs, best products, and the best price, because at the end of the day, this is a really big decision. And so we found Refresh LED. So we reached out to Refresh, we got quotes, we brought their team in to look at the space and figure out what would really work for us. They delivered a product with better specs, a product that looked better in person and on camera. I can walk right up to that screen behind me and I can barely see the pixels until I get within a couple feet. One really big thing that stuck out to us here at MarketScale is support. Every need we had and question that came up, Refresh was able to get on top of it with fast communication, quick turnaround, and ultimately making us feel more secured with this decision. From initial reach out to installation, the process has been smooth. The team has been great to work with. So if you're a business and you're looking for a really good virtual production studio or just a really cool LED wall, get Refreshed.